Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to help you to determine the molecular geometry of cyanate ion. It has a chemical formula of OCN minus, and to understand its molecular geometry, we are first going to look at its Lewis structure. So this is the Lewis structure of OCN minus ion, where carbon is forming single bond with one oxygen atom and a triple bond with one nitrogen atom, and there are no lone pairs on carbon. Always note down the number of lone pairs and bond pairs attached to the central atom in the Lewis structure, as they affect the final geometry of the molecule. If we look at the structure of this ion in 3D, we can see that the structure is linear. Let us use AXN notation method to see if we are on the right track. So here, A stands for the central atom, X are the number of atoms that are forming bonds with the central atom, and N is the number of lone pairs of electron present on the central atom. So here we have carbon is the central atom, there are two atoms attached to it, and there are no lone pairs of electron. Now that gives us a general formula of AX2N0, that means AX2. If we refer to this table, we can see that the molecules that have AX2 formula have linear shape with bond angle of 180 degrees and hybridization as sp3. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.